Hi friends, let me show you my new ceiling fan with lights. This is great because we live in a desert zone with a lot of heat and we like ceiling fans. You get the instructions to install it, everything you need, all the things that you have to do, gloves for handling everything, and this is the remote for the fan and the lights. These are the different accessories to install it. All what you need, cables, everything. You can get the lights, 5 bulbs here, LED bulbs, and the actual fan. Okay, let me show you. Perfect. You can see it's really nice. Color black. Okay, this is the bottom part. This is the fan, and these are, well, there are 4 bulb sets, sockets, so you get an extra light. And well, as you can see, it's going to look really nice here in our living room. Let's install it. Hi friends, let me show you how this new lamp with fan is ready in my living room. As you can see, we have the remote here. We're gonna turn it on, the light first. Okay, and the fan, as you can see, is there. We're gonna put a number 3. And that's it. Great fan service, not a really big or large one, but enough for our living room, and it makes no sound. Listen. No sound. I'm gonna put it up to number 6. And the fan is basically noiseless. You can program it to be on up to 8 hours and then turn off. You can, of course, turn off only the light, but still have the fan, or the other way around, only light and no fan. So this is a really nice fan and lamp. I like it very much, and it's really recommended for any kind of place where you need light and fresh air. Thank you.